Welcome to week 6. We are almost done. You have 2 chapters left, chapter 11 and chapter 12, and I have recorded videos for you. I love chapter 11 because we talk about variances, and you can kind of see here at the beginning of the video what that is. But basically, all of variances is the difference between what we thought it was going to be and what it is. In just plain English, that's what it means. So from a managerial accounting perspective, there's lots of different variances. And some people's job is to do nothing but calculate and analyze variances. And one thing, and I'll probably say it in the video, you remember that it's really not a good or bad variance. A favorable variance means it's a positive number, but it might not be a good thing. For example, if we have a direct material quantity variance that's favorable, what that means is we used less material than we thought we were going to. That could be bad if the product we're making is of poor quality because we didn't use enough direct materials. So whether it's favorable or unfavorable, we want to analyze it and see what's causing it and look at the outcome of that variance. It's a fun chapter. I really like chapter 11. And then in chapter 12, we look at some responsibility accounting, and we look at different things related to production. And so you can see on this video, we talk about throughput time, process time, inspection time, move time, queue time, total throughput time, and we're looking at a manufacturing cycle efficiency. So again, low numbers, high numbers, there's good and there's bad, but you always just want to look at it and compare it to what was it last period. What are we expecting it to be? What are our competitors doing? What is our best practice? And so just keep that in mind as you're going through these problems. Cut back on homework a little bit. I know you've got your case studies due, you've got your quizzes, your discussion boards, and don't forget also your case studies. I know a lot of you have already started turning those in. They're due on August 14th. Just a reminder, you can follow the MBA rubric guidelines that are located under Start Here. So you can go over to these guidelines and you can get an idea of how to write those. I left it open-ended. Here's our rubrics. I left it open-ended as far as the format because I really just want to see a professional document. That's oral communication. Here's our written communication. So you can see what we're looking for. Your topic, organizational issues, recommendations are presented clearly, concisely. That is such an important thing, concisely, and in an informative manner. Many of you are already working and you know this. People just don't have time to read long reports, and so they want to see very quickly an executive summary that says, this is what I'm going to do. Now, you don't have to put it in this format, but this is a guideline for you to see kind of what we're looking for. Does your answer engage the reader? Do you give us enough information? Some people have said, I can't get it all in the report. Well, make an appendix if you have to. But just make sure that original report has the information in it that it actually answers the questions. So anyway, I think that's it. Again, we're working in week six. Our objectives are to look at variances for both direct material and direct labor and variable manufacturing overhead. We're looking at return on investment, residual income, delivery cycle time, throughput time, manufacturing cycle efficiency, and then finally looking at the balanced scorecard. So let me know if you have any questions. You guys have been great. Thank you so much.